Hello, hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we will look into the updates of Odoo 18 and we're gonna discuss about the follower management. So let's move on to the follower management, which means in Odoo 18.2, we can easily add or remove followers from multiple records at once. Let's move on to the sales module and let me consider a quotation from here. We know the followers are managed in the chatter, and currently you can see that there are 2 followers. So if you want to add or remove multiple followers at a time, you can easily do that. Simply add the followers that you want. So you can just choose the followers from the list, and if you want to notify the recipients, enable this, and you can also give extra comments. And let me click on add followers so that we can easily adds up the followers over here. So that's one of the update in Odoo 18.2. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.